Well, we did it. I am finally monetized. Thank you so much to all of you out there who have watched my videos, who have liked my videos, especially those who have shared and have subscribed to my videos. It took me about 2 years, which sounds crazy, and it was a little disheartening a few times because you would see all those videos on YouTube where they're like, it took me over 3 months to get monetized, and here I was sitting on 2 years. But we all have our own journeys, and I'm just really glad that I've reached this milestone. My channel started off mostly as cover band material, things like DIY projects for the stage, fun ways of entertaining, and then some gear reviews. The thing that happened was our band got really popular and we were gigging a lot. And when you do that, members can burn out. So we decided to take a break, and naturally I took the knowledge that I'd learned about sound and I rolled that into doing sound for other bands and other venues. And I think that's a lot of fun, and I really hope you enjoyed following me on those point of view videos. But my heart really does lie in entertaining people, so I want to get back to cover band stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually making a second channel, and I'm calling that the Cover Band Academy. And in there, I'm just going to keep all the stuff that has to deal with cover bands. So fun things like how to make a set list flow well, how to find band members, how to get gigs, how to price out gigs, even how to do your own branding. All those things that it took me a lot of research, and I couldn't find everything online, and I had a lot of great mentors who helped me along the way, and I want to share that with you. That way I can keep this channel what it is without diluting it with all the cover band stuff. What's fun is that I'm finally starting to get reputable companies reaching out to me, like the Lyrics Prompter, for example. They want me to do reviews on their products, and I only will do reviews and showcase products that I think are useful, that are going to be fun and value added to the stage. Again, thank you so much for getting me to this milestone. I'm really excited for what 2025 is going to bring, and we'll see you in the next video.